We were also looking ahead when we used the Summit pump and pan kit in stage 1. Both will ensure this little piece is well supplied with oil. And that is officially it for our short block. We slowed down this time to show you more tech than usual, but, you know, knowledge is power, and in this case, horsepower. Well, next time we got some hardcore race parts for the top end.
Installing a distributor is a popular topic in our email bag, and most of them are asking, how do we get so lucky dropping in a distributor and getting an immediate fire up every time?
Well, there's no luck involved. It's a simple understanding of positioning, and the process we're going to show you here applies to all engines that have distributors.
The first thing to do is make sure the number 1 cylinder is coming up on top dead center on the compression stroke. There's a couple of ways to do that. The first and generally easiest is to have the number 1 cylinder spark plug removed. Now place your finger over the hole and turn the engine over slowly. When the piston comes up on the compression stroke, it will force air out of the cylinder and push your finger off its seal like this.
The second way is more involved and requires you to pull the valve cover. When you turn the engine over and both valves are closed and the rocker's not moving, you're coming up on the compression stroke. Now slowly turn the crank to get the timing mark, or 0 depending on your balancer, about 30 degrees before on the timing pointer. To put it in simple terms, there are 360 degrees in a circle, so that means 30 degrees is a little less than 1/10 of that, which is a very small distance. Now it's time to drop the distributor in. The important thing is to position the rotor where you want it, not where it falls. This is important for your wire routing to look neat and clean. To make it drop all the way down, all you have to do is rotate the engine and the distributor will index the oil pump drive. Then simply reverse the rotation back to 30 degrees before TDC. Now the cap goes on. The wires are routed to the spark plugs, and here's the results. There.
So all you need to do is follow that simple procedure and you'll never see flames come out of your carburetor again. Plus, it'll just make your life simpler.
One more thing about distributors. You can't run an iron gear on a steel cam. In this